Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I want to explain about semantic analysis of hyponymy in the short story, The Voyage. Next, please. First is introduction. Language is a communication tool used by people to express their feelings and thoughts. Through language, people can convey what they want. People are social beings and they live in togetherness to complete each other. They need a language to communicate with others. By communicating, people can express their ideas, opinions, information, and so on. And then English is the international language of communication, as well as cultural and information exchange. Words express meaning, can affect an individual's action, and are important in communication. The meaning is the most essential part of a language. If the language does not have meaning then it cannot be categorized in the form of language. Even if a language has ambiguous and unclear meaning, there will be a misunderstanding in accepting the meaning and of course in communicating. And then semantic lexical has subchapters such as antonym, synonym, metonym, taxonomy, and hyponym. The five subchapters have characteristics and some similarities, so that is sometimes difficult to distinguish. A hyponym is a lexical part where the meaning is related to the hierarchy only. The study aims to know about the use and the most dominant of hyponym as the semantic feature through a story, The Voyage. Next, please. Literature review. According to Alsamari and Alsamari 2017, hyponym Hyponym has a form of meaning that is related to each other that form a sequence based on the arranged meaning. As an example of mangoes, apples, and bananas are hyponyms of the form of fruit. Then spinach, mustard greens, and potatoes are hyponyms of vegetable. Next, please. Research method. This study uses descriptive qualitative, which focuses on each word contained in the data, where the object of research is the form of hyponym contained in the short story of the voyage written by Christopher Lloyd. This study was supported by several other journals, collected and then observed and sought to obtain data that contains a hyponym. Next, please. Findings and discussion. Upon identifying the data, the researchers analyzed the categories of hyponym found in the short story of the voyage and discovered that there are 22 types of hyponym categories in the book of the voyage. These include transportation, number, animal, next please, bird, next slide, color, food, sex, male, woman, room, clothes, feather, finger, drink, fruit. Next, please. Option, size, distance, sense, age, part of the body, and the last is appearance. As can be seen, the hyponym category of parts of body is dominantly found in the short story of the voyage, whereas the last dominant hyponym category found is bird, sex, ordinal number, drink, fruit, option, gesture, distance, sense, and looks. And next, please. And here some example sentences extract from the short story of the voyage. For the first is type of hyponym, transportation. Example sentence is the pig when they go out of the cab. The cab is the transportation. According to Merriam-Webster Dictionary, a boat is defined as a small vessel for travel and water. Vessel is here synonymous to transport, while cab is synonymous taxi cab, which is used to adopt it a kind of a transportation. Hence, these two words are classified as transportation hyponym. And number two is type of hyponym is animal. Example sentence is first is the crane standing up so high, and the second is and a cart with a small dropping horse. Next, please. Number three, type of hyponym is clothes. Example sentence: put on her flannel dressing gown, grandma was quite ready. And then an old sailor in a jersey standing by gave her his dress. According to Merriam-Webster Dictionary, a dressing gown is a robe worn especially while dressing or resting, while a jersey is any for various clothes fitting, usually circular knit garments, especially for the upper body. The word warm and the word close fitting in the explanation mentioned are the character of clothes. Hence, this word dressing gown and theirs are classified as clothes hyponym. Number four, type of hyponym is assumption. Occupation. Example of sentence. First, an old sailor in a jersey standing by gave her his dress. And then such a very nasty word come to meet them. Number five, type of hyponym is woman. Example sentence is beside him, her grandma bowls along in her traveling bag. And second, your little granddaughters in such a beautiful set. Next, please. Number six, type of hyponym is part of body. Example sentence, only his little black arms, and then she uncloses her hair. Number seven, type of hyponym is room. Example sentence, and along a portion that had cabins on either side. And number and seven, she pushed elegantly into a small dusky sitting room. Next, please. Number eight, type of hyponym is appearance. Example sentence, it was a beautiful night. Then, but their sweet smile was part of the cold morning. Both two words, beautiful and sweet, clearly indicates the state of quality of someone of something. Thus, these two words are classified as appearance hyponym. Number nine, type of hyponym is distance. Example sentence, am I near to weather? She could shiver for some rock. The words far and near are obvious to have the meanings of a distance. Thus, these two words belong to distant hyponym. And the last is type of meaning is appearance. Example sentence, your little granddaughters in such a beautiful shape, but their sweet smile was part of the cold morning. The above examples show how similar and one word to another in terms of its hyponym. However, they are used differently depending on the context of these sentences. Next. So, the conclusion, semantic lexical has sub-chapters such as antonym, synonym, metonym, taxonomy, and hyponym. A hyponym is the relation of one meaning to another because it has the same scope. An example of a rose is a hyponym of flower, and a flower is a hyponym of a plant. Based on the finding, it is concluded that in the short story of the poet, there are 22 types of hyponym category. The most dominant type of hyponym category is the part of body with 14 words under the headings, followed by animal, while the less dominant type of hyponym category, which is 2 words in each category, are bird, insect, drink, food, and the last assumption. I think that's all from my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.